Hi everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the use of imperatives to give instructions. Do you know how to give instructions in English? What sort of instructions can you give someone? Look at these questions. How to make a cup of coffee. How to search for a topic on Google. How to play a game on your PlayStation. Instructions can be given in many ways. A list with the imperative form of the verb and the words such as first, then, next is one common way. Continuous text using the present tense form of the verb with you and should is another common way. Make sure you distinguish between giving instructions, that is, telling someone how to do something, and describing a process, that is, describing how something happens. Look at these examples. Today, I am going to tell you how to make the best sandwich in the world. First, you must roast a chicken and slice it into thick pieces. Then, toast your favorite bread, 2 slices. After that, you need to put mayonnaise and mustard on the toast and then the chicken slices. Next, you are going to add your vegetables, tomatoes, lettuce, onions, cucumbers, etc. Finally, put a couple of slices of cheese on the sandwich and then close it with the other piece of toast. Asking for instructions. How do I? Can you show me how to? Do you know how to? How do I go about? What do you suggest? What is the first step? What is the best way to? Giving instructions. First you, then you, next you, lastly you. Starting out. The first thing you do is, before you begin, you should. The best place to begin is, I would start by. Continuing. After that, the next step is to. The next thing you do is. Once you've done that, then. When you finish that, then. Finishing. The last step is. The last thing you do is. In the end. When you've finished. When you've completed all the steps. Now, let's look at using the imperative to give positive or negative instructions. To make the instructions positive, use the infinitive without to. Put lemon juice in with the water and mix it. To make the instructions negative, put do not or don't before the verb. Don't forget to roll out the pizza dough. So, in this lesson, you've looked at the use of imperatives to give instructions and looked at lists of different words and phrases to use when starting, continuing, and finishing your instructions. Now, let's practice.